Hey friends, if you wish to configure the best HDR settings for gaming on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Before anything else, check the HDR settings. Search for HDR, click on HDR settings, and then check whether you have multiple displays. If yes, then connect to the best one. Okay. And make sure that this switch is on. If it is off, then it will be a problem. Make sure that it is on. You can also click on the calibrate button. Okay, to calibrate it with your system, or you can restore it to default. So this is one part. Try what is best for you. The next one is to use the recommended display settings. I'll show you from the ab initio. Right click on start and select settings. Now go to system and then select display in the right pane, and then you can check the scale and display resolution. Make sure that it is set at recommended for both of these. The last one is to update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on both of them and update them to the latest version. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.